In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Binance app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Binance app installed and know exactly how to avoid fake versions that could put your crypto and personal information at risk. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official, safest place to get the app. In the search bar at the top, type the word Binance. You'll see several results, but you want the listing that says Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto and shows Binance Inc. as the developer. That developer name is important. It confirms you're looking at the legitimate app. Another quick way to recognize it is the massive install count. The official app has over 100 million downloads, which is a strong trust signal. You can also glance at the star rating and recent reviews as extra reassurance that you're on the right page. Once you've opened the correct listing, tap Install. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is best if you want the download to go quickly, and a bit of free storage space on your device. The download time will vary depending on your connection. After the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app. That's it. You've installed the official Binance app on your Android phone. With the official app, you can buy, sell, and store popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, manage your portfolio, and explore features built by Binance. Keeping to the official version helps ensure you get the latest security updates and accurate functionality. Before we wrap up, a crucial safety reminder: avoid fake apps. Unfortunately, crypto apps are a common target for scammers who create lookalike listings designed to steal your funds or personal information. To stay safe, only install the Binance app from two places: the Google Play Store or the official Binance website. Be extra cautious with search ads or sponsored results, and don't trust links sent via messages, emails, or social media. Always check the developer name is Binance Inc., confirm the large download count, and read a few recent reviews. If anything seems off, like unusual permissions, low downloads, or a mismatched developer, back out and search again. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Binance, choose Binance, buy Bitcoin and Crypto by Binance Inc., tap Install, wait for it to finish, and tap Open. Stick to the Play Store or the official Binance website, and you'll be protected from fake apps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the Binance app safely on your Android device.